Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious caldo de camarón. This is a highly requested video. If you guys wanna see how I make it, keep watching. I've set my pot on medium heat and I've added 7 cups of water. Water is now boiling. I'm gonna add the shells from the shrimp. This will be the broth for the caldo and some salt. I'll be cooking them for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm gonna work on the salsa. On a separate pan on low heat, I've added 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil is now hot. I'm gonna add 3 garlic cloves, half of a small white onion, 4 roma tomatoes, 4 chile guajillos, and 2 chiles de arbol. Move them around and make sure they fry on all sides. After about 3 minutes, we're gonna add in 2 allspice, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. We mix once more and cook it for about a minute or so. It's been about a minute and I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. We cover it up and wait for it to boil. It's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna remove the shells and turn off the heat. It's been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's now boiling. I'm gonna turn off the heat and transfer it into the blender. I'm also gonna add 2 teaspoons of ground shrimp and 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Now we blend. We're gonna turn our broth back on medium-high heat, and we're gonna add in the salsa. This is the perfect time to check to see if you want more salt or chicken bouillon. Mine needs a little bit more. I'm gonna add more chicken bouillon. Once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna add 1 carrot and 4 celery sticks. We cover it up and let it cook for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and now it's time to add our potatoes. I'm using 3 small potatoes and a small bunch of cilantro. Cover it up and continue cooking for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Okay, vegetables look perfect. And it's now time to add the shrimp. I'm using 1.5 pounds. And I'm also gonna be adding 3 green onions. Cover it up, cook it for 3 minutes. Just make sure you don't overcook your shrimp. It's been 3 minutes and our caldo de camarón is ready. And now I'm gonna serve myself a bowl. And there you have it, delicious caldo de camarón. Okay guys, my favorite part. I'm gonna add some lime. Because caldo de camarón has to have lime. So, cheers. It's so good. The shrimp is just perfect. It's a little bit on the spicy side, and for me it's just perfect, but if you don't like that much spicy, you can always just not add the chiles de arbol or the chiles, what were they? Chipotle peppers. There you go. Super delicious. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.